So nikikufia hapa, how will my family know? My name is Kevin Cairo Nyambura. March on date 21, I was just headed to work in the morning. It was around 5:45. So kuna ule msemo yalitokea pale hivyo kwa hiyo mti. So the guy just came out at higher speed, threw something on my face. It was a fluid. He threw something and ran away. From 6 hadi saa 3. I just got 2 injections only. So they concentrated on the eyes. Wakakuja na tochi, wakanimulika macho, and they're like, "Can you see anything?" But I couldn't see anything up to that point. So and one of them could say, "I'm not sure this guy will see again." For the first 2 weeks, I remember I couldn't see. Even feeding was a problem. And I remember one day I just woke up in the morning and I just tried to open my eyes just to see if I can just see at least a light. And I saw a dim one, very small light. And I decided, let me just take a minute, just look at myself. If my eyes goes blind, at least I have a copy of how I look like. So the moment nilijiangalia kwa kioo, nilikuwa na kama kanyama choma, and ili ni hurt tu sana.